Summers can be a boon with its sunshine and nice weather. But what really turns me off is the harmful sun rays. Well, the harmful rays of the sun can cause permanent damage to our skin, from hyperpigmentation to aging. It can really destroy what we have been taking care of so carefully. So I have the perfect solution for that. The new Wow Skin Science sunscreen in matte finish. It comes with 2 different SPF and a formula which is non-greasy and lightweight and takes care of all my summer sun woes. The first one comes in an SPF 35 with PA++. This natural sunblock gives your skin a broad spectrum protection from harmful UVA and UVB rays and pollutants as well. The active ingredients are rich in vitamin A, C and E, which prevent skin damage by neutralizing the free radicals and UV rays. SPF 35 offers standard coverage for daily use. You can keep it in your bag and use it every single day. It helps to protect your skin even indoors. So don't forget to put your sunscreen even when you're at home these days. This sunscreen helps to protect your skin not just from skin damage but also keeps it safe from harmful chemicals, as it is without any benzophenone and oxide color. It has a lightweight formula which is non-greasy and spreads evenly and dries quickly without clogging your pores, and forms a transparent film that shields your skin from the harmful sun rays. It is infused with high concentration of skin-nourishing natural actives, which delivers the goodness of raspberry extract, carrot seed extract, avocado oil and vitamin C. All these things and more. Let's go to the new Wow Skin Science sunscreen matte finish in SPF 55. The new SPF 55 sunscreen from Wow Skin Science offers standard coverage for daily use as well. The better part? The SPF 55 provides a better pores. It forms a transparent layer on your skin which shields your skin from the harmful UV and UVB rays and pollutants from the sun. It is useful to be used even in indoors. The formula is really great, soft on the skin, very light, and does not feel like you're putting anything on your skin. It just feels so natural and so beautiful. Since I've been using it, I can feel the difference of how my skin has been protected day and night. My skin feels soft, natural and well protected. I have included the Wow Skin Science matte finish sunscreen in my daily skincare routine, and now it is your chance to protect your skin and be free this summer. The SPF 55 sunscreen is also infused with high concentration of skin-nourishing natural actives like raspberry extract, carrot seed extract, avocado oil and vitamin E. It also has active ingredients like vitamin A, C and E, which prevent skin damage by neutralizing the free radicals and UV rays. It's great for daily use or even using it while you're going out, traveling, on the beach or anywhere else to protect your skin even in outdoors. So don't worry if you're just spending your time indoors, because the new Wow Skin Science matte finish sunscreen will protect your skin at home as well. So do go ahead and check out the sunscreen range from Wow Skin Science and order now. You can buy their original products from www.buywow.in. I will also be linking down the links below for you so that you can go ahead and purchase your favorite sunscreen now. So start using and see the difference yourself.